8:30 a.m. PST, August 20th. Tropical Pressure 2C has formed from our Central Pacific Universe. They've become much better organized, has sufficient amount of convection organization over the last several hours. Additional low circulation has been getting better defined with satellite data. So it's a tropical cyclone. It has 3 knot winds. It's moving west northwest at about 14 knots, and this will continue for 48 hours or so until the ridge north of it strengthens. The storm flow is expected to force the system to turn more toward the west. So it's expected to stay south of Hawaii. Conditions appear favorable. So it will be strengthening some over the next 2 to 3 days, peaking around 60 knots by 60 hours, then weakening as conditions become less favorable. Um, let's take a look at it. Yeah, clearly, I'll see convection. Let's take a look at it. Let's just say south of Hawaii. And possibly strengthening close to hurricane. And then I expect it to become hurricane. Most guidance shows actually not a hell of a lot of strengthening, to tell you the truth. The low has weakened to 85 knots, 23.8 north, 172 west. Actually, kind of looks better organized than it did last night. I mean, yeah, band to the south, maybe a little last year, moving this east of north. I expect to turn north and northwest over the next couple of days. As you can see, the model actually supports some strengthening over the next couple of days. So maybe it ain't quite done in the short term, but afterwards you're going to weaken tropical storm by 72 hours. Let me show you the system. Possibly, um, let's see, before we head into the before we head into the Western Pacific, we're going to talk about the East Pacific. We got another system that has 2080 going to fall off Mexico, and another system, and the Central East Pacific has 1030. Um, quite a few systems. I mean, the Eastern Pacific is in fact pretty damn active. I think the 1030 is like right here. The system right here. It's starting to get going. I don't see the LC with it yet, but you definitely have a concentration of convection. Um, yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty likely at this point we're gonna see a tropical cyclone out of it. Um, yeah, the GFS at 96 hours. That more like hurricane. It's going to 36 hours. 72 hours. 78 hours. Wow. 995 millibars. ECMWF also shows it. Let's go to the link. And we're going to be watching some systems over the MDR, especially this wave coming off. One of these could form into something. So far, ANC ain't watching it either. Let's see. GFS doesn't show anything on at this time frame. Let's go to 72, 96, 144. I mean, GFS has dropped everything. Jesus. I mean, ECMWF. Show the system themselves to keep reverted at that point. What a dead season. I mean, yeah. As for the West Pacific, we've got Sundown. I mean, it's pretty much the main show. 12.8 north, 150.2 east, 40 knots. Ready to head northwestward towards Japan for the next couple of days. Definitely going to strengthen the other. Become a very impressive storm. Um, Still forecast 125 knots. Those are going 10 in. Um, and head towards the Japanese islands again. Going to get hit again. Yeah, they have a little more concentration coming back in Bear last night. There's Guam right here, so it's expected to head north of there. Let's see, 96W as becoming better organized. I mean, mostly a subtropical like system head north, eastward out to sea. 95W. Actually becoming better organized in my opinion, but overshine or maybe getting the alpha token. Having a short lived refresh or tropical storm maybe. 95 4W. Looks a little bit better organized. Could affect China the next few days. Off sheet. Um, 91p. And still a chance. They move south to southwest. That's your Worldwatch.